The Serbians and the Chinese gathered at the site of the bombed former Chinese embassy in the Federal Republic of Yugoslavia in Belgrade on Sunday to mark the 24th anniversary of the killing of 3 Chinese journalists in the 1999 NATO aggression on Yugoslavia. Chinese ambassador to Serbia Chen Bo, Serbian Minister of Sport Zoran Gajic, and dozens of officials and civilians laid wreaths and flowers at the memorial monuments to honor the victims, who are Shao Yunhuan of Xinhua News Agency and Xu Xinghu and his wife Zhu Ying of the Guangming Daily newspaper. Gajic said that the Chinese embassy bombing was a cowardly act conducted by the NATO aggressors in order to plant the seed of evil.
Naše je da se sećamo, da pamtimo i da se molimo Bogu za sve koji su izgubili živote i naročito da se molimo Bogu za one koji su ostali u životu, da se prizovu pameti i da krenemo u nekakvu svetliju budućnost i da budemo srećni uopšte kao ljudski rod.
Chen said that the martyrs of the bombing were brutally killed, but that 24 years later, a growing trend of peaceful development brings hope to humanity.
24年过去了，国际格局发生了巨大的变化，中国和世界也都发生了翻天覆地的变化。虽然今天强权政治、霸权主义依旧是当今世界动荡最深刻的根源，但是致力于和平发展的力量越来越强大。我现在越来越多的国家和人民认同人类命运共同体的理念，我也坚信越来越多的国家和人民将会团结在一起，共同努力去建设一个持久和平、共同繁荣的世界。
The NATO bombing of Yugoslavia started on March 24, 1999. Over the course of 78 days, 2,500 people were killed and thousands of people more were wounded.